begin this edition with some breaking news as far as the disengagement process is concerned. Top sources have told Republic TV that disengagement has taken place at 3 points. Forward troops have already moved back by 1.5 kilometers from their respective claim lines. Chinese forward troops have also moved back from PP14, patrol point 15, as well as patrol point 17. India has also moved back about 1.5 kilometers from our claim line. There has been a progressive reduction of troop and vehicles. This comes a day after Republic TV was the first channel to get you news with regards to the de-escalation as well as the disengagement that is basically taking place on the ground. In fact, there have been multiple satellite imageries that have been brought by various media houses, but the fact of the matter is that there has been a built-up as far as Galwan Valley is concerned, but that built-up essentially has been from both sides. In fact, the satellite imageries that we are given to understand has captured Indian tents that were basically made after the incident that took place on 15th of June. But what's the big news coming in right now? Republic TV can confirm that disengagement has taken place at 3 points along the line of actual control. Let me go across to my colleague Tejinder for more on this. Tejinder, Republic TV was the first channel on Tuesday to get us the details with regards to what's actually happening on the ground. But now we can confirm that yes, disengagement has taken place at least at 3 locations.
Yes, Shravan, you got the biggest scoop of the day, wherein you got this information from the sources, the top sources in the army. Though several media houses, they have been running several satellite images, but this is the actual scoop of the situation, the ground reality which you got from your top sources. This is the information that the disengagement on the line of actual control has already started. Forward troops have moved back by 1.5 kilometer from respective claim line. Contrary to what several people are reporting, that there has been a build-up, some Chinese troops, they have started crossing the line of actual control. They have built up on the Indian side. But the reality right now is that both the sides, they have moved back by 1.5 kilometers from their claim lines. The Chinese forward troops have also moved back from the patrol point 14, patrol point 15 and patrol point 17. The sources have also told that the Indian side has also moved back by 1.5 kilometer from our claim line. This was part of the disengagement agreement that was recently reached by both the sides. Shravan, as you and I have been continuously reporting how several rounds of meetings have taken place. The first, the Corps Commander level meeting that was held on June 6th, there were several agreements which was agreed on by both the sides, by the People's Liberation Army of China and our side. But when the implementation on the ground came, we saw that violent clash took place on 15th, in which we lost 20 of our brave hearts and more than 40 of the Chinese soldiers were killed. And following that, there was another several rounds of meeting, including the Major General level meeting. But the final meeting which happened recently that went on for more than 11 hours, which was attended by the Corps Commander of 14 Corps, right, Lieutenant General Harinder Singh. These few agreements were reached between the armies of both sides, and now the disengagement process has started. Yes, Shravan.
Well, Tejinder, I would also like you to elaborate a little bit with regards to certain satellite imageries that were basically doing the rounds yesterday with regards to the Galwan Valley. We are now given to understand those satellite imagery was basically referring to Indian tents. They were not Chinese tents that many media houses were basically trying to peddle, saying that, you know, there's been a Chinese built up, there have been Chinese tents that have come up. But it does appear, top sources now confirming to Republic TV that those tents, those Arctic tents, were nothing but Indian tents that have come up, and both sides are basically continuing with their built-up as far as Galwan Valley is concerned.
See, Shravan, though the de-escalation process has already begun, but you rightly pointed out that several media houses, they have been showing those satellite imagery wherein they are saying that those tents which are present in those images actually belong to Chinese People's Liberation Army of China. But in reality, the top sources say that the build-up in the Galwan has been from both sides. So clearly saying that India has not backed off. We know that several media houses sources have been saying that after the agreement was reached, Indian army moved back, and the Chinese side, they have reinforced their positions. But in reality, the build-up in Galwan has been from both the sides. Satellite image has captured Indian tents near patrol point 14. It is not Chinese structure. So clearly, the sources in the army, they have confirmed that those pictures which several media houses are showing as Chinese structure, but that is actually an Indian tent. So clearly, it's also a slap on the faces of those political parties which have been peddling fake news. They have been tweeting that photograph showing that Chinese army has entered into our position, and they have reinforced their presence there. But in reality, the reality is that in the satellite imagery which several media houses are showing, and several politicians are tweeting showing Chinese structure, but the top sources in the army have confirmed that it is not Chinese structure. It is the Indian tents which have been shown in those imagery at the patrol point 14. So clearly, Shravan, people who have been continuously reporting about the situation on the line of actual control, relying on various open source intelligence networks, various Twitter handles where pictures and satellite imageries are being shown, they should understand that this is a very sensitive issue, and you need to have a clarification. You need to have a clarification from the top sources, top people in the army who can tell you that this is real, this should be reported, and this is a fake news, this should not be reported. But yes, the top sources in the army have confirmed. This is your exclusive news break, Shravan, that top army sources confirming that the build-up in Galwan has been from both sides. So there is no point in saying that the Indian army has moved back from the Galwan Valley. The Indian army's presence is very much there, and both the sides, they have reinforced that place, and the tent which is shown in those images belong to the Indian army. Yes, Shravan.
Well, thank you very much, Tejinder, for putting this into perspective. A quick recap. This is what Republic TV has learned so far. There's been disengagement that has taken place at 3 locations. PP15, PP17 and PP14 is what we are given to understand. Having said that, India still remains extremely cautious as far as this disengagement process is concerned, and they are going to closely monitor every development that is going to take place in the next couple of days.